So, sobra po kaming excited ngayong araw dahil sa tagal ng panahon, naibalik po natin yung Riders Convention.
We are proud and defiant, coming at you like lions. Got fire in our veins, remember our names, we're headed for triumph. It's our time and our moment. We are legend, we own it. We'll be standing alone and taking the throne, our kingdom, you know it.
Ready to go, we're in control. It's all for one, we're gonna show you how. We'll stand our ground, no back.
Number one!
We're gonna fight on! Fight! We're never gonna stop the fight! Fight! We're never gonna stop the fight! We're never gonna stop the fight! We're never gonna stop the
Makukuha mo talaga yung pagliko, mabilis siyang makakabig yung liko dahil sa yung height niya.
CB 500X and ADV 160. Super friendly ng stop. And ano pa ba nga asahan mo sa Honda? Super okay. So,
First of all, thank you so much for coming in the 2023 Honda Riders Convention. It is a special day for Honda because we are once again reunited with our riders who have consistently made us the #1 motorcycle manufacturer in the Philippines.
ODSS Laguna Chapter 1 Dream Scooters.
Of course, I would like to thank the very most important yung customers namin, yung Honda riders that joined this Riders Convention after nung pandemic. Thank you very much sa suporta nyo. Hindi ho magiging #1 ng Honda kung wala kayo. So please continue to support Honda. Maraming salamat po.
So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Las Piñas, kaya masayang-masaya yung mga clubs at active na ulit yung mga riders natin, lalong-lalo na yung mga Honda users.
We are inviting everyone for our next event of Riders Convention. We just started here in NCR, but eventually we will expand these activities in Visayas in Mindanao. So watch out for our upcoming event.
Thank you for being a part of the Honda family. Let's make this convention a testament to the bond we share, the adventures that lie ahead. Mabuhay and Honda Philippines. Thank you very much.